We need to know a variety of information about you, like your starting weight, age, gender, and current level of physical activity, among other things, in order to calculate how much weight you can lose in a period of 9 months. At a healthy and sustainable rate of 1 to 2 pounds lost per week, you may lose between 36 and 72 pounds in the span of 9 months. It's true that dropping some pounds is a great first step towards improving your health, but that shouldn't be the only objective you have in mind. It is not sufficient to merely consider your weight. You should also take into consideration your body composition, blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and fitness level. In addition, the ideal way to lose weight is to take a healthy, long-term strategy rather than succumbing to crash diets or overly hard exercise regimens. This will ensure the best results. The use of processed foods and sugary beverages should be reduced, and the consumption of fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains should be increased, as part of an effort to adopt a diet that is healthy. It also requires setting aside time every day to engage in some type of physical activity, such as going for a brisk walk or attending a fitness class. Your healthcare practitioner or a certified dietitian can assist you in developing a strategy for losing weight that is customized to your unique set of circumstances and objectives in the process of slimming down. They are able to not only assist in the diagnosis of any underlying health concerns that may be hindering weight loss, but they are also able to provide support and direction at every stage of the process. In conclusion, there is no one right answer to the question of how much weight a person ought to shed in a period of 9 months. On the other hand, a healthy and manageable pace of weight loss is between 1 and 2 pounds lost every week. It is essential, however, to seek the guidance of a medical professional or a certified dietitian in order to lose weight in a way that is both healthy and sustainable over the long term and does not put your general health at risk. The length of time you should wait before participating in physical activity after eating is dependent on a number of different factors, including the size and composition of your meal, as well as your personal preferences and levels of tolerance. After eating, you should wait at least half an hour up to an hour before engaging in any form of moderate to vigorous physical activity. This will give your digestive system time to work so that you do not feel nauseous or have cramps while you are exercising. Before going to the gym, it is preferable to wait a bit longer if you ate a meal that was either really substantial or very fatty. On the other hand, if the intensity of your workout ranges from mild to moderate, such as a walk or light yoga, you might be able to start your workout sooner after eating without experiencing any negative side effects. After eating, some people find that doing some modest exercise helps them digest the meal better and makes them feel less bloated. Before you get to the gym, you need to give some thought to not just what you eat but also when you consume it. You may provide your body the fuel and nutrition it needs to perform at its best by eating a meal that is high in complex carbs and protein, such as quinoa and vegetable stir-fry or a turkey sandwich on whole grain bread, for example. If you only have a few minutes to eat before heading to the gym, you should choose something that is light and easy to digest, such as a piece of fruit or a small handful of almonds. If you want to get the most out of your workout, you need to fuel your body properly. When it comes down to it, paying attention to how you feel after eating is the most effective strategy to determine how long you should wait before engaging in physical activity after eating. If you continue to experience discomfort or weariness while exercising, you might want to consider delaying your workout for a longer period of time after eating or modifying the components of the meals you consume. You can establish the best timing and fuel for your body and the fitness goals you want to achieve by using trial and error.